Identifying corresponding parts. So we have two triangles that were created, and I'll show you a really cool device here. I took this obtuse angle here and copied it, and then I think I flipped it over, turned it around or something. Maybe here's what I did. Turn it over this way. So I know they're congruent because I used the same template to make it. Now, we're going to talk about the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides, angles, the blue ones, are marked with the same number of arc marks. Like the L and R, they're congruent. They have one arc mark. The J and T have 2 arc marks, so they're congruent. And the K and S have 3 arc marks, so they're congruent. Then we also have the corresponding sides that are congruent. They're marked in red, and they have one hash mark. So JK and ST. And notice the order that I put those in. JK was the one marked with 2 and then 3. So I put it in the same order, 2, 3, TS. And then KL is the 3 and the one with the 1. 3 first, then 1. So SR. So KLSR. They're congruent. And then LJ was the 1 and then the 2, so I had to do RT in that order. Now this right here is called a congruent statement, and sometimes if they're not marked, but you're told that they are congruent, you can just look at the order of these letters, and that makes it super simple. Like J and T are both first, written down first, so they are congruent to each other as far as angles go. K and S are written second, so they're congruent. And L and R are written third, so they're congruent. And JK, first and second, is congruent to TS. KL is congruent to SR, the second, third. And then JL is congruent to TR. So you can look at their order and know what they are when they're flipped or turned or something like that, and it makes it difficult to know. The congruent statement certainly does help a lot.